Hello class, this is just another example on calculating the area between two functions. And just as a reminder, the main point that a lot of students get messed up around is that it has to be the top integral subtracting the bottom integral. Top function minus the bottom function. So you can go ahead, pause the video and give this one a go yourself if you'd like, or you can go straight into the exercises. So let's get to it. First thing we need to do is figure out the interval that we are working on. So we're looking for these x-intercepts. So whatever they are, we need to find them. To do this, once again, we're going to simultaneously solve them by letting these two equations equal each other. Let's be lazy and use the features of the iPad. It's blue equals this other one here. Solving this, moving everything to one side, 2x squared plus 2x squared, 4x squared, subtracting 6x from here, so we get negative 12x. 4 take away 20 is negative 16 equals 0. Just double checking that. Plus 2x, we get 4. Negative 6 take away 6, negative 12. 4 take away 20 is negative 16, and there we go. Dividing everything by 4, x squared, negative 3x, take away 4 equals 0. The values I can think of to factorize this are x plus 1 and x minus 4 is equal to 0, which means the points of intersection here are x equals negative 1 and x equals positive 4. So this is negative 1 and that's 4. Now, be very mindful, I deliberately labeled the g of x and f of x. Just visually seeing it, you can see that g of x is on the bottom, whereas f of x is on top. So I hope you understand it doesn't really matter that if it's g or f, so long as it's the top interval minus the bottom integral. So the area now is going to be from negative 1 to 4 of the top interval, which is f of x, plus 6x plus 20 minus the bottom integral. Copy this just for the sake of time. And there we have it. Just collecting all the like terms. Negative 2 minus negative 2, that becomes negative 4x squared. 6 take away negative 6, that's 6 plus 6, so 6 take away negative 6, that becomes 12x, and 20 take away 4 is positive 16. And this is now our integration. Same rules as before, increase the power by 1, divide by the new power, and not forgetting about the current coefficient. Plus, increase the power by 1, divide by the new power, so 12 divided by 2 is 6. And for a constant, we just give it a coefficient of a variable of x. As before, we're just now really taking this value here and replacing x with the values of 4 first. We're going to subtract from that the exact same thing but this time substituting the values of -1. It's now just an exercise in typing it into your calculator. You can skip this part if you'd like, but here we go. -4/3 bracket 4 to the power of 3 plus 6 bracket 4 squared plus 16 times 4. 224 on 3 minus, and just replacing 4 with -1. Let's take a look at what we get. We get -26 on 3. Well, that's just 224, whoops, 224 on 3 minus 26 on 3. This gives us 250 on 3 unit squared. So I hope you're seeing that it's actually not entirely difficult. It's just a long process and quite a lot to write, but it's just merely the top integral minus the bottom integral. In the next few examples, you're going to see a few more tricky situations, but so far I hope you're understanding the idea of integration and the area between two functions. Hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck.